Kelly. I'm coming to you from my home kitchen in Enfield, Connecticut. I am the owner and baker of Cake Bites Cupcakery. I used to do just wedding cakes, but now I've expanded into cupcakes. They've actually become my passion. I'm 47 years old and I have been baking for 31 years. And a few years ago we watched Bobby Flay's Throwdown for a cupcake war type deal, and we had a lot of fun creating cupcakes, and I've become very passionate about it. To me, there's nothing better than a great cupcake and a great cup of coffee. If I win Food Network's Cupcake Wars title, I'm going to open up my own shop that serves coffee and a great cupcake. I won first place at the Domino Sugar Cupcake Competition at the Eastern States Exposition. It is the largest state fair in New England, and here is a picture of my cupcake. I named it adequately New England's Harvest. Here's another one of my very favorites. It's an Italian cookie cupcake with a cannoli filling. It's a traditional cannoli filling. It's not the mascarpone. It's what I grew up with, and they are so delicious. And here is my wonderful assistant, Bill. We make a great team together. And here he is now to bring me some drink. Hey, Bill.
Hi, Christine.
Say hi to Food Network.
Hi, Food Network.
My cupcakes are gourmet. Simplicity, I think, is key, and they're delicious. So there's nice flavors that just envelop your mouth when you eat them, so you can enjoy the flavors.
Simple and delicious.
Simple and delicious.
How about Wild and Crazy?
Wild and Crazy will be your department.
I think we should do it. How about the Aquatot cupcake?
The Aquatot cupcake?
Aquatot, did you like those?
But which one was that one?
The modeled after the Alaskan ice cream.
Oh, the Eskimo one with the, he made a cupcake with shrimp in it.
Yes.
It got by Hunter.
Oh, it was a very good cupcake.
It was a very good cupcake.
And good for you too.
You think you can pass the judges the Cupcake Wars?
I'm sure they would love it.
You're sure?
Oh yeah. All the flavors of New England built into a cupcake, even the sea.
The flavors of New England, even the sea. Well, that is New England as well.
Yeah, it is.
Well, Cupcake Wars, I hope you're ready for us, because we're ready for you, and we're bringing it all the way back to Connecticut. Here, have a cupcake on us.